going to mean for this that was mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is where a lot of this latest violence is stemming from. But again,
what are you doing?
Fucking idiots.
You must somehow support this horrendous status quo that has white supremacy baked into it, that led to this terrible thing that was the polarizing and precipitating event.
By motives of a more interesting nature, they would probably have answered Galerius in the words of Caesar.
Fucking moron, mate.
Banks of the Tiber,
Seriously.
we are prepared to trace out his name.
I would have loved if they, after the fire, they reopened it and they had Jim Carrey come in with a comically large pair of scissors.
Oh my God!
They're like, what? That's a 30-year-old reference.
Could have also come out of the bathroom as Fire Marshal Bill.
He just gets in a car and they're like, hey man, was that Jim Carrey? What, did he do a line from The Mask? Jesus.
wow. Jeez Christ.
Zero credibility doesn't mean it's not true. It just means you shouldn't take that source as anything. So, anonymous. But there are videos of her looking pretty damn drunk. And the fact that it's being
tell him over the phone,
Be
but
in any of the 3 left lanes.
Just come down.
Is this going to shock me? And then I just thought, oh, fuck!
Yeah.
Hold it, man. This guy's trying to get away. He just hit my car. This fucking asshole. He's trying to get away. I'm going to speed up and get his license. Okay.
Can you call me back? Okay,
yeah.
bye. Be careful.
Okay.